You won't believe the transformation Urban Elite Bank has undergone in 2026. Most people assume modern banks either focus on flashy apps without substance or stick to old-fashioned services. Urban Elite blends reliability with innovation, giving you the best of both worlds. Checking and savings accounts are straightforward, with competitive interest rates that reward steady balances. Their tiered system increases rates automatically as your account grows, making consistent saving more rewarding than many realize. Small deposits, compounded over time, can lead to significant growth. The mobile app is user-friendly and feature-rich. It allows you to track spending, set multiple financial goals, and visualize progress. Real-time notifications and visual dashboards make it easier to maintain healthy financial habits. Most people underestimate how motivation increases when they can actually see their money grow. Urban Elite also offers predictive insights. It monitors spending trends, anticipates upcoming bills, and recommends adjustments to keep your finances on track. This proactive approach helps prevent overdrafts, missed payments, and unnecessary fees. Security is solid with encryption, multi-factor authentication, and real-time fraud monitoring. Customer support is accessible through multiple channels, so help is always nearby. Limitations include minimal investment services. If you want advanced wealth-building options, you'll need an additional platform. But for secure banking, goal-driven savings, and smart tools, Urban Elite delivers. So, is Urban Elite Bank worth it in 2026? Absolutely, for anyone seeking reliable banking with digital intelligence that supports smarter money management. Subscribe for more reviews to help you make the most of your financial options.